Your floor looks spotless, but your nose tells a different story. That sour, damp smell of a wet mop left in a dark corner is exactly what happens when technology overpromises on convenience. We are seeing this affordable wet-dry vacuum popping up everywhere lately. It promises a stealth movement for something called pop pop pops up on your feed, undercuts almost everyone else in the game. For about $200, you get a machine that vacuums and mops simultaneously while scrubbing its own brush. The suction is actually quite powerful. It uses a modern motor design that lacks carbon brushes. This means the motor should stay consistent and powerful for years without wearing down. It spins fast. It moves hundreds of times every single minute to lift tough stains. The best part is the constant stream of fresh water. You are never just moving mud around on your tiles. It feels like a massive leap forward for cleaning until you actually finish the job. The marketing makes it sound like you just dock it and walk away, but if you look at the instructions, they tell a very different story. You have to physically remove the roller and let it dry in the open air every single time. This model does not have a heating element to dry things off. It just spins the brush at high speeds. If you live somewhere humid, that brush is going to stay damp for a long time. That is exactly where that musty, swampy odor comes from. It is a hygiene nightmare hiding inside a sleek white plastic shell. Some of the much more expensive rivals have fixed this with dedicated heated drying cycles. You pay a premium for that luxury. The real twist is that a professional version of this exact machine is already showing up on global websites. This upcoming version is a massive leap forward in every way. It boosts the suction power significantly. It doubles the battery capacity. Now you can actually clean a large house in one go without stopping to recharge. It finally adds that missing hot air drying feature. Perhaps the biggest change is the ability to lay the whole vacuum completely flat. The current base model cannot reach under a low sofa or a bed because the water tank gets in the way. This new Pro version solves that by reclining all the way to the floor. It makes the current base model feel like it belongs in the past before it even hits most store shelves. It is a classic move in the tech world. They release a solid entry-level device while the superior one is already waiting in the wings. If you are on a strict budget and only have hard floors, the standard model is fine. It is built well. It is simple to use. But if you can wait even a few months or stretch your budget just a little further, the upgrades on the Pro version are actually meaningful. It is the difference between a tool that helps you and a tool that creates a new chore. Always look past the shiny box and read the manual first. The truth is rarely as simple as the advertisement makes it seem. You deserve a home that actually smells as clean as it looks. Don't settle for a damp brush and a bad smell when the real solution is just around the corner.